In this video, we are going to solve questions of chapter number 6, Linear Inequalities of class 11. So let's have an outline of this video. In this video, we will understand that how to find out the solutions of the linear inequality and how to represent the solution on the number line. And more than that, we are going to solve the question number 21 to 26 of exercise 6.1. Hello my awesome students, welcome back to my channel Akshar. I am Nana and I make videos related to NCERT solutions for classes 9 to 12th. So let us start our today's topic, which is question number 21 of exercise 6.1 of class 12. So till now we have done 20 questions in our previous video. So please see my previous video first if you have not seen my previous video. Okay. So let us start solving question number 21. Ravi obtained 70 and 75 marks in first 2 unit test. So the marks obtained in the first test is equal to what? In the first test is equal to 70 and in the second test it is equal to 75. Find the minimum number of marks he should get in the third test to get an average of at least 60 marks. So we have to find out the marks in the third test. So we have done a similar question in the example also, that whenever we have to find out the average, so average, you know that average is given by what? Average is given by total of all the values. Suppose the marks in the third test are equal to x, this is divided by 3. Okay, so what they are saying that this average should be of at least 60 marks, means minimum value should be 60, so it can be equal to 60 or it should be greater than equal to 60. Okay, so if I am going to solve this value, then what I will get? I will get 145 plus x by 3 should be greater than equal to 60. So now how we solve the inequality problems? We do addition and multiplication or division or subtraction both sides with the similar value. So if I will do multiplication of 3 from both the sides, then this side 3 and 3 will get cancelled out, but this side 3 into 60 will become 180. So now to find out the value of x, I have to remove this 145. So I will do subtraction of 145 on both the sides so that I can get 145 and 145 will get cancelled out. So x will be greater than equal to 35. Okay, so very simple question it is. Just you have to think about that. This inequality symbol, which inequality symbol you have to use. Okay, moving to question number 22. Question number 22 says that to receive grade A in the course, so see it is also somewhat similar. Grade A in the course, one must obtain an average of 90 marks or more in 5 examination out of 100. So it is given to you that average should be of 90 marks or more, which what does it mean? It also means that at least 90 marks should be there. If Sunita's marks in the first 4 examination are this and this, then find the marks that Sunita must obtain in the 5th examination to get the grade A in the course. Okay, again they are talking about average. So average is what? Average is given by sum of all the values. So 4 marks, sum of 4 marks is given to us. So let us imagine that in the 5th examination she has got marks of x, divide by total. Now this average of 90 marks or more means minimum value should be 90 and this should be greater than equal to 90. Only then she will get the grade A in her examination. So solve this and you will get your answer. 368 plus x divided by 5 should be greater than equal to 90. Okay, so to solve this linear inequality, what we do? We will do multiplication of 5 on both the sides. So we will get 5 and 5 will get cancelled out. We will get 368 plus x is greater than equal to 450. So to remove this 450, I will do subtraction of 368 from both the sides. So I will get what? 368 and 368 will get cancelled out. So x will be greater than equal to. Moving to question number 23, which says that find all pairs of consecutive odd positive integers. So consecutive odd positive integers. Consecutive means if my first number is 3, then my second number should be 5. Consecutive odd numbers are there and the number should be positive. So you can see that let my first number is equal to x, then my second number will be equal to what? My second number will be equal to x plus 2, both of which are smaller than 10. X is less than 10 and this is also less than 10, such that their sum is more than 11. So if I will do the sum of both the values, then it should be greater than 11. So I will get what? I will get x plus x is 2x plus 2 should be greater than 11. So now I have to remove this 2 minus 2 should be greater than 11 minus 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. I will get 2x is greater than equal to 9. So I have to divide it by 2 on both the sides. So I will get what? X should be greater than 4.5. Okay. So x should be greater than 4.5 means what? Number should be my odd number. So 4.5 greater than 4.5. Next number will be what? Next number will be my 5. So one condition we have got that our number should be greater than 5. But it is given to us that the number should be lesser than 10. Okay. So now my answer will be what? My answer will be first pair will be 5, 7 and second pair will be 7, 9, because the odd numbers lying in between this range 5 and 10 will be the three numbers only, 5, 7 and 9. So using the three numbers, my two pairs will be there, 5, 7 and the second pair will be 7, 9. Okay. Moving to question number 24. Question number 24 says what? Find all pairs of consecutive even positive numbers, both of which are larger than 5, such that their sum is less than 23. So it is again the same question, that let my first number is x, then my second number will be x plus 2. So this time they are talking about the even number. So suppose my first number is 2, then my second number will be 4. Both of which are larger than 5. X is greater than 5 and also x plus 2 is greater than 5, such that their sum is less than 23. X plus 2 should be less than 23. Okay. So when you will solve this, you will get 2x plus 2 should be less than 23. Now when you will do subtraction of 2 on both the sides, so you will get 2x should be greater than 21. So your answer will be 2x by 2 should be less than 21 by 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled out and x will be equal to, and x will be less than 10.5. Okay, so I have done the steps a little bit faster because I think now you are able to understand that how to solve the linear inequality. Okay, so now what will be my pairs? X should be less than 10.5. So less than 10.5, my first even number will be what? It will be 10, and the second condition is given to us equal to that x should be greater than 5. So the range is this, and in between this range, how much even numbers are there? 6, 8 and 10. So the consecutive positive even number pairs will be 6, 8 and 8, 10. Okay. So moving to question number 25. Question number 25 says what? The longest side of a triangle is 3 times the shortest side. So there is a triangle A, B and C. So 3 sides are there. So the relation between longest and the shortest side and the third side, relation between all the 3 sides is given to us. What does the question says? Longest side of the triangle is 3 times the shortest side. So with respect to shortest side it is given, then we will imagine that, let us suppose my shortest side is equal to x centimeter. Okay, why I have taken centimeter? Because all the remaining dimensions are given to us in centimeter. So that's why I have taken it in centimeter. What does now question says? Longest side of the triangle is 3 times. 3 times means if my shortest side is 3 centimeter, then the longest will be 3 into 3. Okay, so I can say that the longest side is equal to 3x centimeter and the third side is 2 centimeter. So what is the relation for the third side with respect to the longest side? Now the relation of third side is with respect to the longest side. So third side is 2 centimeter shorter than the longest side. So what is our longest side? Longest side is 3x and the third side is 2 centimeter shorter. If this is 9, then it will be 7. So how we will get this 7? If I will subtract 2 from this 9, so that's the same I have done here. I have subtracted 2 from 3x. Okay, so next is given that if the perimeter of the triangle is at least 61 centimeter. So I have told you the meaning of at least is what? That at least is minimum value should be 61. So my parameter should be greater than equal to 61. Okay, so find the minimum length of the shortest side. So you have to find out the length of the shortest side. So in general, how to find out the parameter of any given triangle? Parameter is what? Sum of all the sides plus 3x minus 2. Sum of all the sides is called as parameter. So I have simply added all the 3 sides and this should be greater than equal to 61. Okay, now find out the value. 3x plus 3x is 6x, 6x plus x is 7x, minus 2 should be greater than equal to 61. So now you know that whenever we have to solve the inequality, then we have to do addition and subtraction of the same number on both the sides. Okay, so 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. It will be 7x is greater than equal to 63. Now we have to divide by 7 on both the sides. So I will get what? I will get x should be greater than equal to 9 centimeter. So minimum length we have to find out of the shortest side, and our shortest side is 9. So minimum length should be 9 because our answer is saying what? That x should be greater than equal to, suppose this is my 9, so our answer is saying that it should be greater than equal to 9, means it can be 9, it can be 10, it can be 11, it can be 12 and so on. So minimum value is what? Minimum value is my minimum value of this shortest side will be my 9 centimeter. Okay. So moving to question number 26. Question number 26 says that a man wants to cut 3 lengths from a single piece of board. So this question is also similar to the previous question. In the previous question also 3 sides were there, but it was in the shape of a triangle. But now this is a board. Okay, so from the board also they are cutting 3 lengths. Suppose this is my first length, this is my second, and this is my third length. Okay, from a single piece of board of length 91 centimeter. So this complete length of the board is given to us equal to 91. The second length is 3 centimeter longer than the shortest. So again the relation of second length is given with respect to the shortest. So if I will know the shortest side, then I can easily find out my second length. Let us suppose my shortest side is x centimeter, then my second length will be equal to what? My second length will be equal to 3 centimeter longer than the shortest side. What does it mean? If this is 2, then it will be 5. Okay, the simple sentence this says this. So if this is x, then it will be what? It will be x plus 3 centimeter. Next, and the third length, now they are talking about the third length. So what is my third length? Third length is to be twice as long as the shortest side. So this is my x, so it will be what? Twice means 2 times, means if I am going to multiply this value by 2, then I will get my third side. Okay, then what are the possible lengths of the shortest board if the third piece is at least 5 centimeter longer than the second? What is given to us? If third piece is to be at least, third piece is what? 2x, and it is 5 centimeter longer than the second. This is 5 centimeter longer than the second one. So when both can be equal, because this is already 5 centimeter greater, suppose this is my 11. Okay, so this will be what? This will be my 6, because this is 5 centimeter longer than the second side. So what I have to do to make both of them equal? To make both of them equal, I will do plus 5 to this second side. So I have done plus 5 here, but they are not saying that they are equal. They are saying they are at least, means it should be greater than equal to 5 centimeter longer than the second side. Okay, so coming to this point says what? This length is, total length is given to us 91. So sum of all of these sides should be less than equal to 91. Why? Because we are cutting all the 3 sides from this board. So these 3 sides, sum of these 3 sides cannot be greater than 91. It can be either equal to 91 or it can be less than 91. Okay, so now x plus x will be 2x, and 2x plus 2x will give you 4x plus 3 should be less than equal to 91. So now if I have to do subtract 3, then what I will do? I will subtract 3 from both the sides so that I can get 4x is less than equal to 88. Now I have to divide my value by 4. So I will get what? I will get x should be less than equal to 22 centimeter. What they were asking in the first, that what are the possible length of the shortest board? Possible length of the shortest board is what? See, on the number line what they are saying, that it should be less than 22. So it should be less than 22 means the value can be in between 0 and 22. Negative values are not possible because this is a dimension, and for the dimension negative values are not possible. Have you ever heard about the term that the length of this board is minus 4 centimeter? No one says that. Everyone will say that the length of the board is a 4 centimeter. Okay, so that's why the dimensions in the questions can never be negative. Whenever you get negative value in the dimension, so you can simply neglect that value. Okay, because practically that value is not possible. Okay, so now moving to this part, 2x should be greater than equal to 3 plus 5. So what is the question? 2x should be greater than x plus 3 plus 5 will become 8. Now if I have to remove this x from both the sides, then what I will do? I will simply subtract x from both the sides. So 2x minus x will give me x, and x should be greater than equal to 8. So one solution of my is saying that it should be greater than 8, and my second solution is saying that it should be less than 22. So what are the possible values? My answer should be, my length of the shortest side will should be in between 8 and 22. If you find my video useful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates of my new videos. So let's meet in the next video, in which we are going to learn how to find out the general solution of any linear inequality in two variables. Also, we will solve example number 9, 10 and 11 of chapter number 6. Till then, take care and bye bye.